Hi dear children, welcome to our maths class. Now we are going to learn concept of zero. First all of you take a textbook and see the page number 82. Concept of zero. Suppose if I have 4 flowers in my hand and I give one flower to my friend, how many flowers are left with me? There are 3 flowers. Out of those 3 flowers, if I give one more to my friend, how many flowers are left with me? There are 2 flowers. Out of those 2 flowers, if I give one more flower to my friend, then how many flowers are left with me? There are 1 flower. Then if I give the last flower also to my friend, how many flowers are left with me? There are no flowers with me. No flowers means 0 flowers. So, when you hear 0 number, you understand that no number, otherwise nothing. Our next section is more than. When we study more than, we have to add one number each to the given number. Say 1 more than 0 is 1 means 0 plus 1 equal 1. 1 more than 1 is 2 means 1 plus 1 equal 2. 1 more than 2 is 3 means 2 plus 1 equal 3. 1 more than 3 is 4 means 3 plus 1 equal 4. The next is 1 more than 44 is 45 means 44 plus 1 equal 45. The next one more than 67 is 68 means 67 plus 1 equal 68. Now we are going to learn lesson 2 addition. Our main topics are first is symbol for addition, next is addition using number strip, vertical addition, then adding 0. What is addition? Addition is a process of putting things or collections or numbers together and counting the total collection. Which symbol we use for addition? We use plus symbol for addition. Here we are using horizontal method. In horizontal method, we arrange numbers in sleeping line order. See the example. I have 3 plus symbol. Then I add 2 more plus symbols to it. Then how many plus symbols are there in total? There are 5 plus symbols in total. Count and fill in the boxes. First we want to count the smiley balls. After that we want to fill numbers in the empty boxes. Let's try. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore we want to write in the empty box. Then we want to add 3 more smiley balls with it. Count with me. 1, 2 and 3. 4 plus 3 equal dash. So again you just count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got number 7. So 4 plus 3 equal 7. Addition using number strip. We can use number strip for addition. Number strip helps us to do addition very easily. What is a number strip? Now, a number line or number strip is a pictorial representation of numbers on a straight line. It's a reference for comparing and ordering numbers. See the examples. There are three questions. Our first question is 2 plus 3 equal dash. We want to find the sum of these two numbers. How we can find it? We want to find the sum of this number with the help of this number strip. Okay. Look at the number strip. You just put your finger at 2. Then move 3 steps forward. Now you reach at 5. So 2 plus 3 equal 5. The next question is 5 plus 2 equal dash. See the number strip. First put your finger at 5. Then you just jump 2 steps forwards. 1 and 2. Now we reach at 7. So 5 plus 2 equal 7. The next one is 6 plus 4 equal dash. See the number strip. First you put your finger at number 6. Then you want to jump 4 steps forward. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we reach at 10. So 6 plus 4 equal 10. Next is vertical addition. Vertical addition is a method of adding where the numbers are lined up in columns according to their place values. See the example. There are 2 stars. So we want to write 2. The next is there are 3 stars. So we can write 3. Okay. Then we want to add 2 plus 3. Okay. Then we can use plus symbol. Then we will get 5. In this method, we arrange numbers in standing line order. Okay, you just keep in mind, in this method, we arrange numbers in standing line order. See, more example for vertical addition. First question is 4 plus 4. Our first number is 4, so we want to draw 4 lines on the top. Again, we want to draw 4 lines. Okay, we want to add 4 plus 4. See, again we want to draw 4 lines. Then we want to add together. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We got number 8. And 4 plus 4 equal 8. Next question is 43 plus 22. These numbers are two-digit numbers. Okay. How we can add it? First we want to add 3 plus 2. Okay. We draw flowers. Then we want to add together 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then next we want to add 4 plus 2. Okay. Then we will get 6. 4 plus 2 equal 6. Then 43 plus 22 equal 65. The next question, 40 plus 13. First we want to add 0 plus 3. Okay, when we will add 0 to a number, we will get that same number. Okay, 0 plus 3 equal 3. Then 4 plus 1 equal 5. 40 plus 13 equal 53. Next is adding 0. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. Example, see, there are 4 flowers in the first circle and 0 flowers in the second circle. How many flowers are there in both circles? There are 4 flowers in total. 0 means nothing. So, when we add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. 4 plus 0 equal 4. See the examples. 8 plus 0 equal 8. 20 plus 0 equal 20. 0 plus 17 equal 70. The next one is 20 plus 10. First we want to add 0 plus 0. We will get 0. Then 2 plus 1. We will get 3. So 20 plus 10 equal 30. The next question, 8 plus 10. First we want to add 8 and 0. 8 plus 0 equal 8. Then there only 1. So that when we can write down. Okay. Then 8 plus 10 equal 18. This is your homework. Please try to do it. Okay. Thank you.